Good day, learners. Let's quickly look at this question. Question says calculate the number of moles of crystallization. So you are given the molar mass of hydrated calcium sulfate. Hydrated meaning that there is water molecules as a In this case, the water molecules Zn. So we are looking for the number of moles of water of crystallization. So in the sense it's very simple. Now that you are given the molar mass of the whole compound, so we are going to separate the compound, this one. So no calcium sulfate, sibale molar mass yakhe, molar mass yakhe, siyidibanise ne-molar mass ka-NH2O nalapha yi-molar mass. Xa uyidibanisa kuzophuma i-total molar mass, which is 172. Okay, so let's quickly calculate the molar masses. So i-molar mass yalapha ucalcium ngu-40, ucalcium ngu-40, ucalcium plus usulfur ngu-32, then u-oxygen ngu-16, then by 4. Then i-molar mass yalapha ke ngoku izophuma ingubani, then we press the calculator, plus N into eka-H2O ke i-molar mass ingu-18, which is equal to 172. So let's press calculator here. Here ingu-136 plus N into 18. Remember 18 is molar mass ka-water. K1, then 172. But asibazi abangaphi ngoku aba-water. Then we are going to solve for N. Then you transpose. So kweli cala soshiyeka nabani? No, N into 18, which is equal to 172. This one is a figure negative, then 136. Then you press the calculator there. So N is equal to 18, 172 minus 136 is supposed to be 36. Yes, it should be 36. Then we divide by 18, divide by 18. Then we get the answer 2. So N is equal to 2, which means we have 2 moles of H2O in this compound. 2 moles of H2O. So ihamba kanjalo. If you are given a molar mass, so the compound will divide by the molar mass yale plus molar mass yale yalamanzi. Then we solve u-N par. Remember, amanzi asiwazi mangaphi i-N times. So it's on N times the molar mass of H2O, which is 18. Then you solve. So you do like when you are given the molar mass. In the next video, we are going to do the one when you are given the mass and the number of moles of ezinye compound par.